Talk 42, Rotating Movements. Today, I want to talk about the danger of rotating machines. Many of the machines in our workshops have moving parts that spin. Some rotate very fast, some rotate slowly. But all rotating parts are dangerous, and all of them can cause injuries. Loose clothing, long hair, shoelaces, ties, bracelets, rings, any of these can be caught in moving parts. The only people who would never face this risk are nudists with very short hair. Everyone else is at risk if clothing or hair touches a rotating part. Years ago, before safety was emphasized, main drive shafts were known as killers. Factories were powered by shafts and belts. The shafts were full of bolts sticking out, but the shafts spun so fast, the bolts were invisible. If clothing touched the shaft, it was caught instantly. The victim was pulled in, and many times killed. Terrifying, isn't it? It was then, and it still is today. We talk about it now, so everyone understands the real danger. Even today, accidents still happen, often with smaller shafts, a loose sleeve caught by a rotating saw, and the arm inside that sleeve may never be the same again. Rotating parts became infamous during World War II. Many women lost their hair this way. Engineers didn't realize how easily long hair could be pulled in. It happened in seconds. Their hair was caught, and part of the scalp was torn away. Static electricity can make things worse. Long, loose hair can build a charge. It is pulled toward the metal. That is why both men and women with long hair must wear caps or tie it back around rotating parts, and they must avoid clothing that creates static electricity. It is hard to convince people that shiny shafts can grab clothing, but the accident records prove it. Dirty, rusty shafts are even more dangerous. I know a case myself. A mechanic saw his helper drying a polished shaft on a small pump while it was running. The mechanic warned him. The helper replied, "This shaft, it turns too slowly. It can't catch anything." But it did. It caught waste material, and 2 of his fingers, they broke before the pump could be stopped. Accident records show any rotating shaft can catch clothing or hair. Some workers lean on rotating parts many times with no problem. They lose respect for the danger. But one day, the shaft catches clothing, and the worker has no escape. The result can be broken bones, torn skin and ligaments, even a fractured skull. So from now on, remember this. When you work near rotating machines, be cautious, be alert, because one careless moment can cost you a part of your body, or even your life.